Hello and welcome again to our channel. As always, one of the videos we dedicate to our model. So our model follows 1,200 most interesting US-based stocks. Today we'll talk about MAT. This was the position indicated by our model. This stands for Mattel Incorporated, and we can see here we have an area of volatility. So looks like we are in the very interesting rebounds possibility here, but still we might form another leg down. So the question is how to trade here. Well, let's quickly analyze possibilities and what can be expected and seen. So first of all, what is important here that we went lower than this channel that was here. It was a little bit actually short channel, but it was first false pierce through and then pierce downwards. RSI, stochastic RSI, really love this parameter. It's very interesting. It's still not at the bottom, but wants to go to the bottom. So looks like it's going to form something like this. The key form and the D wave will be like this. You see the formation of the upper part here, and the second part is about to form soon. You can see it here. And if this will be forming, we will see another leg. And you see this dotted line I draw. That's actually where I expect this to buy further. Another reason for this is that this level indicates also something like this, so it might go below this line, but it worked as a kind of stronger support and could be very interesting in that sense. Once this is formed, once we're below, we might start buying in, because also the distance between moving average 20, the green line here, this green line, and the actual price will be so high that it will inevitably cause the price to go upwards, at least to the level of moving average 20. So I wouldn't expect any major reverse, but we might see this kind of behavior for moving average 20. Then the price will bounce to it. So if we now draw the price should bounce to it and maybe go a little bit lower, and then will be the final strong move. Examples of this behavior could be seen here, for example, like slight decline, go lower, and final move up. So this is something what we expect here to see as well. So I'll be buying anywhere at the level of, let's say, 1570-ish, and then we can expect this move up, further decline, so we sell here. Then we buy this one. The way to identify this level is a little bit difficult because we don't have any clear indications on the price. You might still try to continue this line and say, well, it will be somewhere here, but it might be also quite a weak level. Anyway, the best identification here would work from analysis of stochastic RSI. So we need to bounce back and a little bit volatile, and once we'll be forming a finishing smaller wave ready for big one, something similar to this exact behavior, then we can say we are ready and we can buy, and this should coincide with this situation. With this being said, that's all how I would work here on MAT. Still, the question would be if on the upward move we will have bouncing in real return, or it will form then another negative wave. Still for discussion and not for this analysis. So it might be something like this as well, but we will see it later. We will see it from the development later. We need to wait for this one. For now, these are two levels here, and then expecting for final entry at those levels that we will define by the pattern of stochastic RSI. With this being said, that's it for MAT, one of the positions predicted by our model. And as I said, our model here, you see many positions, is tracking about 1,200 most interesting and most capitalized tickers on Nasdaq and New York Stock Exchange, and then gives all kind of indications that are not prices but some specific parameters, of course, and some of those we discuss at our channel. With this being said, that's all from MAT. If you like this way of analysis, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, press the bell button. See you at other episodes of Stocks Advisory.